Welcome to Block 7, where we take you on a journey through unique and inspiring architectural spaces. Today, we'll be exploring a project that elevates the quality of life through a deep connection with its surroundings. This is NoFe House, a residence designed by Equipo de Arquitectura in Luque, Paraguay. Covering an area of 430 square meters, this house is not just a place to live, but a manifestation of how we inhabit and interact with the natural world. As time passes, architectural criteria evolve alongside the knowledge and qualities we deem essential. Although the focus of architectural practice shifts, the main objective remains the same: to enhance our existential relationship with the world. NoFe House is a prime example of how architecture can connect us with the context, the place, and the environment, creating a living space that promotes well-being. A key element in the design of NoFe House is the deep integration with vegetation and nature. By using native plants as a landscaping principle, the house not only supports local biodiversity but also improves air quality and the overall architectural experience. Here, vegetation takes center stage, creating a harmonious relationship between the artificial and the natural. Carefully controlled and filtered natural light plays a crucial role in linking the interior spaces of the house with time, seasons, and movement. Cross-ventilation in every room ensures good air circulation, as well as temperature and humidity control during warmer months. This architecture, which breathes and regulates light and ventilation, creates an inseparable connection between the interior and exterior. Natural materials are also a vital part of this architectural exploration. Local materials such as stone, brick, wood, and concrete were chosen and crafted by local artisans, infusing each detail with tradition and local knowledge. The stone forms the foundation of the house, connecting it to the earth through its weight and functioning as a retaining wall. Lighter bricks allow for the arrangement of spaces on the upper floors, while wood is used for lighter elements like movable panels, furniture, and doors. Concrete provides the freedom to organize the structure according to the spatial and functional scheme of the house. Situated on a site with a significant slope, NoFe House is designed across 3 levels: the parking and service area on the lowest level, the social area on the first level, and the private area on the second level. The transparency of the social area contrasts with the opacity of the second level, which houses the bedrooms, laundry room, and office, spaces that require more privacy. Every design element reflects the need to protect the interior from the outside while staying connected with nature, light, and air. This project is not just about building a house. It's about creating a living space that breathes, responds to local realities, and offers a balance between privacy and openness. NoFe House embodies an architecture that embraces its environment and meets the needs of its inhabitants in a meaningful and sustainable way. Thank you for joining us at Block 7. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration. See you in the next video.